Good morning, students. Today we discuss the new chapter, that is metals and non-metals. Fifth chapter, metals and non-metals. All metals are found in earth crust. All non-metals are found in atmosphere or air or in air. So the all types of matter broadly divided into three types, three categories: metals, non-metals, semi-metals also. Metals are found in earth crust. Non-metals are found in atmosphere or air. Some substance exist in the earth crust, but these properties and behavior of this substance intermediate between metals and non-metals appear like a metal, but physical properties and chemical properties like a non-metals. Example: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, etc. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic are examples of semi-metals. Semi-metals means intermediate between metals and non-metals. All metals found in atmosphere. All metals are found in earth crust, and all non-metals are found in atmosphere or in air. Some non-metals are also found in earth crust is in the combined state. So some non-metals are combined with metals in the earth crust. So students, all of you take your textbooks, page number 64. Page number 64. Second paragraph. You are familiar with the number of metals like aluminium, copper, gold, iron, etc. We know very well these metals: aluminium, copper, gold, iron, etc. Can you name some objects made of metals? Metal? So many objects are made up of metals. Gold ornaments, silver ornaments, iron or steel ornaments, etc. So many ornaments are made up of metals. So observe the figure 1. This is figure 1. These two ornaments are made up of gold, but this is a mixture metal. Added some mercury or silver or copper or brass to the gold. This is a mixture of gold. Mixture materials. See the textbook. Try to name the metals from which the object are made. ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ తో అవి తయారైనవి. సో ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఏ బ్రిటిల్. కింద పడితే ఈజీగా బ్రేక్ అవుద్ది ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్. సో వీ యాడ్ సమ్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ లైక్ కాపర్ ఆర్ బ్రాస్ ఆర్ సిల్వర్ ఎక్సెట్రా యాడ్ టు ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్. They strengthen the gold. So if you add impurities to gold, the strengthen the gold. So add names of more metals that you know to the list. Your first answer is gold. Some of you may also have added aluminium added to gold, silver added to gold, lead, iron, copper, tin and mercury, etc. These materials are added to the gold. Did you any of your friends add steel to the list of materials? So you do not add the steel to the gold metal. Do you think that the steel is a metal? Yes, steel is a metal, the strongest metal. Steel is a strong metal. Let us learn the properties of metals so that you are able to answer these questions at the end of this chapter. End of this chapter మనం మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా మెటల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, నాన్ మెటల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి కంప్లీట్ గా మనం స్టడీ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు ఈ చాప్టర్ లాస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఆల్సో లెర్న్ అబౌట్ another type of materials called non metals which may be a new to you. You don't know non-metals. Non-metals are present in atmospheric air. Atmospheric gaseous state. These non-metals are in the gaseous state. Gaseous state. Example: O2, oxygen molecule; N2, nitrogen molecule; H2, hydrogen molecule; helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. These are all fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are all are non-metals. All are non-metals. Non-metals. Do all these look alike? No, they all do not did not look like. Do all of them shine? No, all of them not a shine. Are they hard or soft? Some metals are hard and some metals are soft. Do they break easily? Some metals are break easily. Some metals are very hard. Some metals are very hard. Can you group materials into two categories by looking at their properties? Properties there are two groups of material. First one metals, second one non-metals. Second one non-metals. We try to find the two groups. Two groups. First group is metal groups. Second group is non-metals group. Non-metal group. Physical properties. Before we start this section, we will need to collect the piece of iron. Iron is copper, zinc, sulfur powder, aluminium, carbon, magnesium, iodine for carrying out the activities. We collect these samples. We collect these samples. Iron, pieces of iron nails, copper, zinc, sulfur powder, aluminium, carbon, magnesium, and iodine for carrying out these activities. Appearance, physical properties. There is physical properties. First one, appearance. In the previous class, we learned that the metals which have a bright surface and reflect light are called lustrous metals. Some metals are bright surface and reflect the light. Some metals are has a bright surface and reflect the light. These metals are called lustrous metals. These metals are called lustrous metals. Okay, materials do not shine. Materials do not shine are called non-lustrous material. Non-lustrous material. Non-lustrous. Metals are materials. Lustrous means having a bright surface and reflect the light rays. These materials are called lustrous metals or materials. Some metals and materials do not having the bright surface and do not reflect the light rays are called non-lustrous metals or materials. Observing the appearance and color of some materials. Observe the appearance of your sample. Our sample iron nails, copper, zinc, sulfur powder, aluminium, carbon, magnesium, iodine, etc. Our samples. We collect these all are samples. Okay, look at their color. Look at their color. Decide they appear shining or dull, and record your observation in a table. Write your observation in this table. See the textbook. First one, iron appear shining or not shining. Iron sometimes appear as shining. Zinc shining, copper shining, sulfur dull, aluminium shining, carbon dull, magnesium dull, iodine dull. Your observation in the table shows some materials are shining and some are dull. Not shining. Which of the samples did not shine? Did not shine? Sulfur, carbon, magnesium, iodine. After you clean them with a sandpaper, which of the samples did not shine? Even after you clean them with a sand. These are sulfur, carbon. Mainly sulfur, carbon and iodine. Sand paper తో మనం క్లీన్ చేసినా రబ్ చేసినా గానీ షైన్ అవ్వవి. సల్ఫర్ కార్బన్, మెయిన్ సల్ఫర్ కార్బన్ అండ్ iodine also. Generally metals are lustrous. Generally all metals are lustrous. Having a bright surface and reflecting the light rays. Do all lustrous materials are metals? No, all lustrous materials are not a metal, not a metal. Okay, we all know that mirror reflect light. We all know the mirror reflect light rays, but mirror is not a metal. It is a semi-metal. It is a semi-metal. Mirror is a semi-metal. No, so you need to look at several properties to decide if a given material is metal or not. Metal or not. Sonority. Sonority. Sonority means sonority. If you ringing our school bell, we heard some noise, some sound. So that metal is that metal has a sonority property. Sonority property. Some metals produces sound. Some metals produces sound. These metals are called sonority metals. Sonority metals. While Aryan was carrying a geometry box, he supplied and fell down. He supplied and fell down. He noticed that the box made a ringing sound when it hit the hard floor. So box produces a ringing tone when it hit the floor, hard floor. It was similar to the sound that of ringing our school bell. Ringing school bell. Have you observed the material used to make the school bell or bells in a temple? Yes, we observe daily. We observe the ringing sound in our school bell and in some temples. Why are wooden bells are not used in the school bell? Because wood does not produce sound by heating. By heating. Do all materials produce sound? Do all materials produce sound when they dropped on a hard surface? No, all materials did not produce a sound when dropped on the floor. Example wood or carbon or magnesium or sulfur, etc. Listening the sound produced by some materials. Listening the sound produced by some materials. So drop a piece of coal on the floor and listen to the sound. Drop a piece of coal on the floor and listening a sound. Do you think the coal is a sonorous? No. So coal is a non-sonorous material. Non-sonorous material. It is a non-metal. Coal is a non-metal, not a metal. It does not produce a sound. Take the pieces of zinc, copper, aluminum, magnesium and tightly packed packets of sulfur, carbon and iodine. Drop them one by one. Drop them one by one. Okay, drop them one by one on a hard surface. Listen carefully to the sound produced and record your observation in table 2. Record in observation table 2. Some materials produce sound when it is dropped when these materials hit on the hard floor. Hit on the hard floor. Some materials not produce the sound when it hit on the floor. So what similar do you notice among the materials which produce sound? You may notice that some of the materials produce sound and some of them do not. Some of them do not produce sound. Materials which produce a ringing sound are called sonorous materials. Most important. Materials which produce ringing sound are called sonorous materials. Sonorous materials. Generally, most of metals are sonorous. Generally, most of metals are sonorous. The materials other than the metals are not sonorous. The materials other than the metals కాని materials అన్ని not sonorous or non-sonorous materials. Luster and sonority. Lustrous means having the bright surface and reflecting the light rays. Luster. Sonority means produces sound. Material produce the sound. Luster and sonority are the properties of associated with the metals. Luster and sonority are the properties associated with the metals. But there is no need that all metals should possess this property. But no need. All metal possesses this luster property and sonority property. Sonority property. For example, though the mercury is a metal, it is not sonorous. It is not sonorous material. Which property of metals first attached to attention of human beings? The story of early tools will give you hint. Starting ఈ నెయిల్ ని ఈ వుడెన్ బాక్స్ లో నెయిల్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఓల్డ్ అండ్ ఏన్షియన్ పీపుల్ స్టోన్ తో హిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ వచ్చేసరికి అదిగోండి హ్యాండ్తో హిట్ చేస్తున్నాడు, హ్యాండ్తో స్టార్టింగ్లో. నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్కి స్టోన్తో హిట్ చేస్తున్నాడు, స్టోన్తో హిట్ చేస్తాడు నెయిల్ని. నెయిల్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద వుడెన్ బ్లాక్ విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ స్టోన్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ వచ్చేసరికి హ్యామర్ తీస్తున్నాడు, హ్యామర్. దట్ హ్యామర్ టైడ్ విత్ రోప్ హియర్, హ్యామర్ టైడ్ విత్ రోప్. నౌ ఈ జనరేషన్కి వస్తే ద హ్యామర్తో మనం హిట్ చేస్తున్నాం నెయిల్ని. దట్ నెయిల్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద వుడెన్ పీస్. ఓకే, some of the samples when beaten hard were flattened, whereas okay students, lustrous and sonorous properties are associated with the metals, but all metals not have a luster and sonority property. Example, mercury is a metal, it is not a sonorous. Okay, we will discuss this malleability in the next class. Okay, thank you students.